Hello everyone, welcome to the Elliott Wave Forex.com YouTube channel. My name is Henry Lau and today is Wednesday, March the 20th, 2019 and the time is 3:30 a.m. GMT. We are looking at the Nifty chart here from India. This is a 30 minutes chart. So what we see here is after ending this pullback at 10,586, Nifty has started to resume higher, and so far the move looks impulsive without doubt, right? It looks impulsive. We can see clearly a lot of 5-wave subdivision here. We have a 5 waves up, a correction, and then another 1, 2, and this is a flat, 3, 4, and then now looking for the 5, right? Now this subdivision account usually can be modified here and there very easily. So that's why I think the most important thing is to understand the overall idea instead of the specific placement of the labels. All right, so the overall idea is this entire move is impulsive, is looking impulsive, even though yeah we can change the placement a little bit here and there, no doubt about it, right? But the overall idea is an impulse. Now we are looking for the upside here in the shorter cycle in any dips as far as it stays above 10,586, which is the low on February 19. Alright, so now let's take a look here at the larger degree to get an idea of where we are in the Nifty. This is a daily chart of the Nifty. Now of course you can have a complete view and all the labels in our member area, and you can always try 14 days for free and look at our service, how we can help you. And over here we can see in the daily, okay, after we bottom last year, and this happens not just on the Nifty but all the global indices, they all made a bottom at the end of last year, more or less, right? Nifty bottom earlier than the other indices, like the US indices bottom around end of December. Nifty has bottom on late October 2018. Since then, Nifty has rallied nicely, almost breaks into all-time high by breaking this 2018 high, right? So over here, this is August 2018, which is the high in the 2018. We are getting close to break this. Now ideally, now I placed this 1 and 2 here because you can see in the 1 hour chart, this is 2. This move lower to 10,586 is with 2. So this is your 10,586 is here with 2. Alright, so this is your with 1, and so that means this can be counted as some sort of a diagonal because it's a very choppy sort of structure here, right? Can be counted in some sort of diagonal, and we are looking for some sort of a continuation higher. Now ideally though, in order for us to get more validation about this view, the bullish view, the most ideal scenario is to wait until Nifty breaks above here. That will confirm that this correction is fully complete and we have started the new leg on the upside, right? Now because technically speaking, without a break above the August 2018, without a break above this, technically we can go like this, right? Technically this is a possibility unless we break above the August 2018 in the Nifty. So instead of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 from here, for example, we could have been doing an ABC, in which this is your A, which is a 5-wave diagonal, and then this is a B, and then now we are in another 5 waves up that will end the C, and then suddenly you have a 3-waves correction without breaking August 2018, so sort of retesting the high, and then suddenly turns lower, right? So of course the ideal scenario really is until it breaks above 2018, then we get more validation about the bullish view. But again, I mean, at this point, we are favoring the, the bullish side, but we do not yet have the confirmation, right? This view is going to get validation once we break above August 2018. Otherwise, again, it could have been an ABC and then starts to turn lower. Now back to the 1 hour chart. So what do we like? Well, we don't like selling, of course, because the right side is higher. But in terms of the internal subdivision here, right, you can always, like I said, you can always play around with the way you place the label, right? You can always play around. Now, for example, let me give you an example. Like, you can see that there is a lot of divergence here, right? Multiple divergence here. So, for example, if I want to be bearish, let's say, I can quickly label it like this: 1, 2, right? Some sort of 3 here, maybe 4, 5, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5, and then that's it, done. And then suddenly you will end, and this could be either with 3 here, right? Or this could be a B and a C, like I said before. And then suddenly, without breaking August 2018, this suddenly can end ABC and then starts to turn lower. That will be the alternate, right? That will be the alternate. The primary view is calling for the upside, but even in the primary view, we have a couple of different possibilities as well. Now, we could have already ended 3 here, for example, and starts to do the bigger pullback in the 4, followed by more upside in the 5, or we could have already ended with 3 in the blue, with or without marginal high. We could have ended 3 in the blue, and then we can just adjust the internal count and then do a bigger pullback similar to this. So we could have done 3 in the blue here, do a bigger pullback in the 4, followed by more upside in the 5, so which is another possibility. But the ideal scenario is like this. The ideal scenario is, since we got this connector here from this low, right, we have this 1 and 2. The ideal scenario for the Nifty is for the Nifty to reach at least the 100%, right? So ideally, the Nifty reaches this area here at least. This is the 100%, in which this leg will be equal to this leg. That will be the ideal scenario, which is almost at the level of the August 2018 high. As a bonus, if it can keeps extending higher in the shorter cycle, goes to the 100%, and as a bonus breaks above 2018, that will even further validates the view that we are going to get extension higher, right? So that means, if that's the case, then all right, so this entire correction is over and we have started a new bullish leg in the Nifty, right? So having said that, because we are still missing the 100%, even though it's just a little bit, and that's why we favor more upside in the shorter cycle, right? Based on this count here that we are presenting, right? So we are favoring for more upside until it reaches at least this one, 11,679, and as a bonus, breaking above August 2018 to confirm or to validate the bullish view. And then after that, we can get a 4 and a 5 to finish a 5 ways up from here. Okay, so that's the update from the Nifty. All right, I hope that you like and you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you all again tomorrow. All right, so tomorrow will be the FOMC day, will be very interesting with the market in the indices, US dollars, as well as even commodities like gold will be very interesting on what the reactions are. So see you all again tomorrow. Have a nice day, everyone.